Ready? 3, 2, 1, start. Water is the most valuable natural resource. It is essential for human survival and life on our planet. At present, the availability of fresh water for human consumption is under stress for a variety of reasons. The crisis of water scarcity is apparent in India as well as in other developing countries. Water scarcity is the lack of fresh water resources to satisfy the demand for it. It can be observed as partial or no satisfaction of expressed demand, economic competition for water quality or quantity, excessive depletion of groundwater, disputes between users, or other such manifestations. Water scarcity affects India as well as a number of developing countries at particular times every year. Some regions of these countries have perpetual water scarcity. Despite the frequent use of the term water scarcity, there is no consensus on how water scarcity should be defined or how it should be measured. One of the most commonly used measures of water scarcity is the indicator or water stress index. This indicator defines water scarcity in terms of the total amount of renewable fresh water that is available for each person each year. If the amount of renewable water in a country or region is below 1700 MQ per person per year, that country or region is said to be experiencing water stress. If the available water is below 1000 MQ per person per year, it is said to be experiencing water scarcity. If it is below 500 MQ per person per year, that country or region is said to be experiencing absolute water scarcity. According to a report by Niti Aayog, India is undergoing the worst water crisis in its history. Already, more than 600 million people are facing acute water shortages. Critical groundwater resources, which account for 40% of our water supply, are being depleted at unsustainable rates. Further, 70% of our water is contaminated. India is among the bottom most countries in water quality index. Water contamination and scarcity results in nearly 2 lakh deaths each year in India. Around 40% of the Indian population will have no access to drinking water by 2030. It had been estimated that by 2020-21, cities including New Delhi, Bangalore, Chennai, and Hyderabad will run out of groundwater, which will affect 100 million people. Economically, it may cost up to 6% of our GDP by 2050. With growing population, per capita availability of water has declined to 1,508 MQ in 2014 from 1,816 MQ in 2001. As more than half of agriculture in India is rain-fed, droughts which have become more frequent are creating problem for India's rain-dependent farmers. The water crisis in India is deepening for a variety of reasons. The impact of the deepening water crisis will be manifold. According to Niti Aayog report, water demand will be doubled of the present supply by 2030 and hence India could lose up to 6% of its GDP by 2050 because of water crisis. The water scarcity in India affects hundreds of millions of people across the country. Since tap water is unavailable in many cities, residents have to rely on alternative water sources. A lot of people are spending money to buy drinking water. Water scarcity also threatening the lives of wild animals across India as they are forced to infiltrate villages and cities to find water. Water stress in scarcity hit areas has caused failure of agricultural crops due to which number of farmers have committed suicide as they were unable to pay the loan. The water crisis creates conflicts between states over river water sharing. For instance, the Kaveri River water dispute between Tamil Nadu and Karnataka has been festering for many years. Water shortage will also reduce generation of electricity as many of thermal power plants which require much water for their operation are located in areas of water scarcity. In recent times, the water crisis in India has become very critical, affecting several people across India. Water crisis in India is not only caused by natural disasters but rather because of severe mismanagement of water resources, poor governance, and apathy. Water problem in India has many facets. The effects of climate change on the monsoon seasons is one of the main reasons for the decrease in rainfall and water shortage in India. India is the world's biggest groundwater user. According to Central Groundwater Board (CGWB), the continued exploitation of groundwater from 2007 to 2017 caused the groundwater level in India to decrease by 61%. The unmonitored and unregulated extraction of groundwater has diminished and contaminated the water resources. Groundwater meets more than half of the country's need of water supply. India is among the top growers of agricultural produce in the world. Thus, the consumption of water for irrigation is amongst the highest. Indian farmers give more emphasis on growing cash crops instead of food crops which consume excessive amounts of water. Traditional techniques used for irrigation causes maximum water loss due to evaporation, drainage, percolation, water convenience, and excessive use of groundwater. Water pollution is another problem. Sewage, effluents, and wastewater from industries is drained into traditional water bodies such as river and ponds. Ganga is one of the most sacred but severely polluted river of India. Along with other religious wastes, the bones and ashes remaining after Hindu cremation are also thrown in Ganges. According to the Central Water Commission, India requires at most 3,000 billion MQ of water annually and it receives around 4,000 billion MQ of rain. Stop.